The small scar in the middle of your belly is where all the nutrients you needed to survive and grow flowed directly into your bloodstream during the 10 months you were in your mother's womb. But have you ever wondered if there were any urine or feces in that enclosed space while you floated in the amniotic fluid? The answer to the first question is yes. By around 4 months of development, embryos start urinating and have developed a swallowing system. So, they inevitably drink amniotic fluid. This means these fetuses drink their own urine for about 6 months. But it's not as gross as it sounds. First of all, urine is sterile, so it won't cause infections. Waste products like excess nitrogen are filtered by the fetus and transported to the mother via the umbilical cord for excretion. And what about waste that would be excreted as feces? The mother helps process that too. Before reaching the fetus, food is partially digested by the mother, who absorbs nutrients like sugars and proteins into her bloodstream and then passes them to the fetus through the umbilical cord. So, most digestive waste remains in the mother, but the fetus's digestive system isn't completely empty. For example, epithelial cells shed from the intestines are broken down by bile acids in the small intestine, forming a sticky, greenish substance known as meconium. Unlike adults, the fetus's intestines have almost no bacteria, so these substances aren't broken down further. This greenish, sticky, almost sterile substance formed in the small intestine will be found in the baby's first diaper after birth. It's also their first and last clean bowel movement.